Now dear students, we continue 2021 exam pack. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a fundamental particle of the standard model of matter? So first we need to know what is mean by fundamental particle. The particle that can't be subdivided into other particles is fundamental elementary particle. The particle that can't or cannot be subdivided into smaller particles is called fundamental particle. So which is not the fundamental particle, it means not the fundamental. In this question we need to know the which particle can be divided, which particle can't be divided. Okay, so not a fundamental particle. Electron, always remember that electron is fundamental particle. Electron is fundamental particle according to the standard model of matters. Okay, so what is standard model of matter? You know that the standard model is just like a periodic table. It's a periodic table of elements, periodic table of particles. Just like a periodic table of elements, this is a periodic table of particles in the particle physics, standard model of matter. And this periodic table shows the different particles and their charges, and then I can show you, this is what standard model of the elementary particles. According to this model, we divide the particles into different families. Okay, the lepton family, quarks families, and the exchange particles, and the bosons, and these are actually the standard model. Okay, so we divide into different parts, different particles. So lepton, quarks, and the leptons are actually the lightweight particles. Quarks are actually the they are the combination. When we combine these quarks, we have the strong interaction. Okay, so it is a complete description, but here in this question we need to know the which is the not fundamental particle. So A is the fundamental particle. So electron is, as we know, that the fundamental particle. Electron is fundamental because we can't subdivide electron into smaller particles. So A option is incorrect because A is fundamental. We need to know the not a fundamental particle. Number B, gluon. Gluon is also fundamental particle because according to standard model, the gluon is actually the exchange particle between the, for example, if proton and a second one proton, they exchange some particles, they exchange some they interact through the field, and this field is actually mediated by the gluons. The gluon is the exchange particle, and you can't subdivide this gluon into smaller particles. So gluon is also fundamental particle. So muon is also the lepton family. Electron and muon are both the same lepton family, so it is also the fundamental particle. It's a cousin of electron. Muon is the cousin of electron. These are the leptons. Muons and the electrons are the leptons. Okay, if I can show you. So now the proton, you know that the proton is subdivided into quarks. So this is not a fundamental particle. D is the correct one. Not a fundamental particle, not a fundamental, because proton is made up of quarks. It is made up of quarks. So if it is made up of quark, so it is not a fundamental particle. So D option is the correct choice in this scenario. Okay, thank you.